Ever wonder what that snap, crackle, pop sound is while you're snorkeling? No, it's not your ears adjusting or your GoPro mic glitching. That sound is actually the reef fish hard at work. Tropical reef fish, like parrotfish or kole, are munching away at algae and coral. As they scrape and bite, they make those crackling noises you hear all around you. And here's the wild part. Parrotfish actually grind the coral in their mouths, digest the algae growing on it, and excrete the rest as sand. So next time you're out snorkeling with us and you hear that crackling symphony, you're listening to nature's reef crew doing their thing and literally shaping the islands we love.